This is pretty much a VPN browser type of application here, and also has a great feature. So any one of these applications that you're going to use before you even connect or open any one of these applications here. Let's say, for example, Google Chrome will pretty much ask you which location do you want to connect to first. So it will connect to any one of these locations that you choose. As you can see here at United States, some different services. So that's pretty much how you use this application here. You have the browser section, which you can also browse, and as well go on Facebook and there's other website, Google, and pretty much everything as it relates to the browser section. So you can tap on this here where you see the American flag, maybe a different flag for you, but still the same thing. Once you do tap on that option here, be able to browse with any one of these locations here. So you didn't want to browse with Canada, as you can see here. I'm going to pretty much enter my option here and pretty much go. So do keep in mind, you're enjoying browser free. So you will need pretty much a subscription to use the browser. So do keep that in mind as well. So once you pretty much start using browser, it will tell you that you have a 1 hour free browsing time, as you can see here. So you're gonna need to get the subscription to pretty much be able to use it for free. As you can see, I'm currently in Canada, and I'm gonna pretty much enter my IP. As you can see here, I'm in Toronto, Canada, as you can see there. And this is pretty much how you use this VPN here. It's a very, very cool VPN application here. Will let you browse the internet, and you can just easily select any one of these. As you can see here, it's I'm pretty much in Canada, but very, very application to use that lets you browse the internet by just selecting any one of these locations. Very, very easy. So that's really pretty much how you use it. And as it relates to the subscription for this application here, you do tap on the account section as well as the profile section, or you can tap on the get Hola premium experience. Once you tap on that option here, you'll be able to see their premium subscription. As you can see here, you pretty much get a one year subscription, a 6 month subscription, and a monthly subscription. And it pretty much shows you prices as it relates to each of these and pretty much what to be getting for each of these subscription. So do keep in mind, for the browser feature, you're going to have a 1 hour free browsing experience. So if you want to use the browser feature for more than that, you pretty much have to get your subscription. And as well, this option here where you can pretty much select any application and use that location through this app. It works very great. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and see if I can help you. See you in the next one.